Let's continue now. So, ano ang pandiwa? Ang pandiwa ay salitang nagbibigay buhay sa pangungusap dahil ito ay nagsasaad ng kilos galaw. Okay, so pandiwa is an action word. They are action words in short. It is composed of salitang ugat at mga panlapi. Okay, so you have salitang ugat. What is salitang ugat? Root word. Root word. You have the panlapi such as prefix and suffix. Example, you have here the sentence, umiyak. Ano yung umiyak in English?
Cry.
Cry. Salitang ugat is iyak. Okay, salitang ugat is iyak. Then you have panlapi, which is These are the panlapi. Panlapi are, what is panlapi again in English? Panlapi in English are not noun. Panlapi in English are prefix and suffix. Prefixes and suffixes. So you have here panlapi na, ma, nag, mag, in, at hin. So you have example, umiyak. Salitang ugat is iyak. Panlapi is Next. Another one. Listen carefully, please. Eyes on the screen and sit properly. Sit properly. Okay, next. Another one. So, here are some aspekto ng pandiwa. Okay? You have pangnagdaanan. Aspects of the verb. So, you have pangnagdaanan o naganap na. These are the past, present, and the future tense. Okay, tenses of the verb. Pangnagdaanan o naganap na is past. Okay, kilos nagawa, tapos na, o nakalipas na. Actions that are done. Pangnagdaanan na naganap na is past in English. Okay, this one is past. Then you have pangkasalukuyan o nagaganap. Pangkasalukuyan is present. Here, pangkasalukuyan is present. Pangnagdaanan is past. Pangkasalukuyan is present. Panghinaharap is future. Right? So, if you will say pangnagdaanan or naganap na, it is past. Past action of the verb. Pangkasalukuyan o naganap or nagaganap is the present verb. Present form of the verb. Past form of the verb. Present form of the verb. And future form of the verb. Okay, panghinaharap, which is future in English. Right? Do you get it? The aspects of the verb or the tenses?
Yes.
Huh? What are the aspects you have? The tenses you have? Past, present, future.
Future.
Okay. So these are the tenses of the verb. Let's talk about the past form of the verb. Okay, you have the past form of the verb. Pang nagdaanan o naganap na, ang kilos ay ginawa na, tapos na. Okay, so if you will say, pang nagdaanan, the actions are done. Kahapon, so you use kahapon, you base it Kahapon, yesterday, noon, kanina, nakaraang buwan, o nakaraang araw. So these are the prefixes and suffixes of the verb. So you have na, nag, at in. Halimbawa, example, panlapi at salitang ugat. Salitang ugat. You have salitang ugat, which is the root word, tulog, panlapi, na, naganap na, natulog. Okay? So you have natulog. Natulog is under pang nagdaanan o naganap na. Okay? Is it clear? Do you guys understand? Are you sure? Okay. Let me give another one. Another one. Okay, let's use the word nag. Nag. What word can you add? What word can you add to show naganap na, pang nagdaanan? Nag. Verb. What verb can you add on?
Naglaro.
Okay.
Naglaro.
Okay. One example, you have
Naglaro.
plus
Naglaro.
naglaro. Okay, naglaro. How about
Nagtanim.
Yes, can be nagtanim, nagsuklay. Okay, nag-ehersisyo, exercise.
Teacher, umiilim. Nagsimba. Nagwalis.
Nagwalis. Okay, good job. Now, another one. Let's use the word
Ube.
Huh?
Umiinom.
Umiinom. Yes. Not umiinom. Uminom. Okay? Uminom. Because the action is done. If you say umiinom, it is in the present form. So use uminom. What else? Umiyak. Okay? Umiyak. What else? Umalis. Okay, so these are the panlapi we use for the pangnagdaanan o naganap na. Na, nag, at in. Okay?
In the tutor mind, we're already done with this.
Huh?
We're already done. Did we already discuss this when we were in like when there
Wait,
was
what? Really?
no yeah, we were discussing this when we were in the first like
No, we did not.
yes we did. It was long.
Really? I don't think so.
Hi, that's right.
Okay, so now let's continue. Next, you have the following. This time we will use the following salitang ugat, and then let's find the proper panlapi so that we can come up with the past form of the verb. So let's have the number one. Kain. Kain. Nagkain? Kakainin? Okay, you have the word
Kumain.
kumain. Yes. Oh, no. We have the panlapi, which is And then the word is kumain. Alright? Kumain. Ay. Wait.
Kain.
Okay, let's start with Right? And then you have kumain. Next, how about tayo?
Tayo.
Huh? Tayo. Yes, And then the word is tumayo. Next, aral.
Mag-aral.
You only have nag, at in.
Nag-aral.
So what is the panlapi? Panlapi
Nag-aral.
is nag. Panlapi is nag and the word is nag-aral.
Takbo.
Tumakbo. Nagtakbo, tinakbo. Which one is the correct one?
Tumakbo.
Okay, let's see. Alright, so you have here takbo, which is in naganap na. So let's have takbo, tumakbo. Next, tapon. Okay, so what do you think is the panlapi in the word tapon? Ano sa tingin niyo ang panlapi sa salitang tapon? Ha? Tinapon, tumapon, nagtapon.
Tinapon.
Alright. So you have kumain, tumayo, nag-aral, tumakbo, tinapon. These words shows naganap na. Okay, next. Another one. Let's have the pangkasalukuyan o nagaganap. If you say pangkasalukuyan, it means it's in a present form. Present form. Ngayon, kasalukuyan, you have the panlapi still na nag, at in. Halimbawa, panlapi plus dalawang pantig o isang pantig. So for this one, you add 2 types of pantig. Example, salitang ugat, tulog. Panlapi na nagaganap, natutulog. Okay? So, you have natutulog, kumakain, nagsusuklay. So, you add another pantig. So, it is into sounds of the pantig. So, you have another one. Example. Let's have an example. Example number 1, kain. Kain.
Kumakain.
Nakain.
Kain, you have
Nakain.
kumaka. You have
Ako.
Mhm. Then you have
Kumakain.
kumakain. Tayo. Tayo.
Tayo.
Okay, you have still. Panlapi is at nagaganap. Nagaganap pa. Tumatayo. Aral. What is the panlapi of the aral?
Nag-aaral.
Okay. So the word
Nag-aaral.
nag-aaral. Takbo.
Takbo. Tumatakbo.
Mhm. Okay, you can actually use the in or you can use the right? Example, tinakbo. Then you have tumakbo. You can also say tinatakbo o tumatakbo. You can use those. Okay, how about tapon?
Tunakon.
Okay, you can use the na. This one, you can use the na. Or you can use the in. Na or in. Let me just give it to you. So you have natatapon o tinatapon. Natatapon or tinatapon. Okay? You can use natapon in the past. Right? So, if you will say, wait. Pangkasalukuyan o naganap, it is in the present form of the verb. Next, let's have the future one. Future one, panghinaharap o magaganap pa lang. Future, panghinaharap. Ito ay mga kilos na nagaganap at gagawin pa lamang. So you have example number one. Number one example is bukas, the time itself, bukas, mamaya, sa susunod na araw, sa Lunes, sa darating na taon. You have the panlapi, ma at mag. In the previous one, for the present and the past, you have the panlapi such as in, nag, na. But this one, you only have ma at mag. Okay? Ma at mag. Example, panlapi plus salitang ugat o dalawang pantig, salitang tulog. Panlapi na ma. This is not na, it's ma. Okay, so you have matutulog. Matutulog. Ikaw ay matutulog na. Alright? Okay. So let's practice. You have kain.
Magkain.
Magkain. Magaganap. Magkakain.
Magkain.
Tayo.
Magkain.
Tayo. Tayo. Magtatayo. Wait, let me just type it in. So you have the panlapi such as mag, and then magkakain.
Magkakain.
Then you have tayo. Magtatayo.
Magtatayo.
Example, magtatayo ng bagong mall ang Cebu sa SRP. Next, aral. Ma or mag?
Mag-aral. Mag-aral.
Mag. At ang salita ay mag-aral.
Mag-aaral.
Next, takbo.
Magtatakbo.
Okay, you have mag. Then you have magtatakbo. Sa larong it, ang lahat ng mga estudyante ay magtatakbo at hahabulin ng taya sa laro. Okay, tapon. You can use ma or you can use mag. Okay, example, you can say matatapon. Matatapon ang pagkain. Or you can use magtatapon. Magtatapon ang pagkain. Okay? Matatapon at magtatapon. Both shows future verb. Future tense of the verb. Alright. Okay, next. Wait. Another one. Oh? What's happening to this one? Wait. Okay, look at here. Halimbawa, sentence, example sentences. Naganap na, which is in the, what form of the verb is this again? Naganap?
Past tense.
Naganap is in past. Naganap is in the past form. Change color. Past. And then nagaganap. Present. And then the other one, you have magaganap pa lamang. You have future. Past, present, and future. You have the example here. Ako ay nagwalis kahapon. Ako ay nagwawalis ng bakuran. Ako ay magwawalis ng bakuran bukas. So you have the following sentences. Show nagwalis, nagwawalis, magwawalis. Notice that in the past form, they use the words such as kahapon, noong nakaraang araw, noong nakaraang taon. Then you have in the future, they use bukas, shows time. Bukas sa ikalawang araw sa darating na taon. Okay, you have here kahapon, noon, kanina, nakaraang buwan o araw. Then you have for the present form, ngayon at kasalukuyan. Then you have future, bukas, mamaya, sa susunod na araw, sa Lunes, sa darating na taon. Okay, this time, yeah, we don't have enough time. Alright, so, since you already know all of it, let's get the following salitang ugat.
Iyak, kanta, langoy, tanim,
Okay, you have here Iyak, kanta, langoy, tanim, lakad, akyat. Upo, inom, sayaw, at aral. We cannot continue this. Okay, let's have short practice with this one. What will happen to each sentences in the form of the following tenses? What will happen to each word? So you have awit, naganap.
Umawit.
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 How about nagaganap?
Magsalita.
Okay, umaawit. Magaganap pa lamang.
Awit. Awit. Mag-aawit.
Mag-aawit. Okay, or aawit. Okay, next, salita.
Magsalita. Magsalita. Magsalita.
Magsalita? Wala?
Nagsalita. Right, nagsalita.
Huh?
Nagsalita.
Okay, kasi nagsalita. How about nagaganap?
Nagkasalita.
Okay, nagsasalita. How about magaganap pa lamang? Magaganap pa lang.
Magsalita. 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 Magsalita.
Okay, you have magsalita. Tayo.
Taayo.
Ha? Tumayo. Tayo. Tumayo. How about sa magaganap pa lamang? Ay, nagaganap na.
Tumatayo. Tumatayo.
Tumatayo.
Tumatayo.
How about in future? Magaganap pa lang.
Magtayo. 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 Tayo.
Magtatayo. Lakad.
Naglalakad.
Maglalakad.
Lumakad. Lumakad. Lumakad.
Linakad.
Lumakad.
You can say linakad. How about gaganap pa lang? I mean, gaganapin pa. I mean, gaganap. Ha? Naglalakad. Magaganap pa lang.
No, I can't hear you.
Maglalakad. Okay, maglalakad.
Naglalakad.
Okay, so that's it for today.
Maglalakad.
Right, so do you have any questions about the Pandiwa?
No.
Are you sure?
No questions. No questions.